stampers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And today we are going to be working with the Dress to Impress stamp set, along with the Best Dress Designer Series paper. I am using this sheet here with all the purses on them, all the different style purses. What I did was I took my paper snips and just cut them all out. Even the partial purses that go along the edges, I cut those out as well. So I've already done that because you do not want to sit here and watch me cut all of that out. So it's going to be a very simple card. I have a standard card base here. This is thick Whisper White. I cut it down to 5.5 by 8.5, scored it at 4 1/4. We're going to take this image, Kindness is Always in Style. Here's the rest of the pieces. Just got a couple. Let me see. Kindness is Always in Style. It's here. Okay, I'm just gonna put this on a block. Try to get it straight on there. Try to help me because you guys know I cannot line up things. So I'm gonna try to get that straight. We are going to be using Lovely Lipstick for our ink color. This is one of the ink colors that will be retiring soon. So if you haven't got your ink colors and your ink refills, now is a good time to do that. And we're going to stamp this right in the middle. Let me see, get this straight on here using my grid paper. Oh, that stamped very well. Good. Okay, we'll just put that ink away. And now what I'm going to do is just put these all around on the card, around the words, okay? And let's see. Let's start with some edge ones, some that are not. Let's see, put this down here. Maybe this one can go here. I have this one, that's the same color, so we'll put that one up there somewhere. Let's see. Now we need something to go here to break these two up. Oh, here's another half a piece. Let's see if we can get some other colors out of here. I got two purple already of the dark purple. Let me see. Let's put one of these little ones. These little ones, this would go maybe this one. Move that down a little bit more. Oh, that, yeah, that, is that upside down? No, let's do it this way. That way, that way. Let's get one of these. Maybe. Oh, these are the same. So I don't want any more of this color. I have one of these already. So, okay. I think I tried to get one of each color or something. I don't know what I did. Is that maybe? Let's see. That can fill up right there. And I already have two of these. Maybe that's why I just took that out. I thought I was going to get some other colors. Okay, I think that's a good setup. So what I'm going to do is take some Stampin' Dimensionals to put on the back of these, just to pop them up. So after we got our placement done, this is the easy part. Try to keep that close to the edge. Need a smaller dimensional for this one. Did I have? No, because that one's going that way. I'll do it this. I don't remember how I had it. Okay. This card is very easy. It's just something I thought would make a good layout, using all these purses instead of the just putting a sheet of the designer paper on, so that it would be popped up. Oh goodness, I forgot how I had this one. No. Okay. I'm gonna just do it upside down. About right there, was it? I don't know. I don't remember. This is gonna be the longest part. I might just go ahead and fast forward through all of this. It's gonna be a very quick video. Oh, nope. Oh goodness. I'm moving everything around. This has to come down some. I don't want it to cover up the words. Oh, I didn't do that one. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward through this, so I'm gonna stop talking so it won't sound weird. Okay, this is the last one. We're almost done. Oh no, it's the edge here. That is the card. Kindness is always in style. I like that. I don't know what I want to put on the inside, but I like how it's all popped up and the words are lower. Maybe we'll add some Wink of Stella just to give it some shine. It's a little sparkle on these certain elements of the purses. Just add a little something. buckles. So where can we add it on? The bow, I guess we'll do the whole bow. That'd be pretty. I love Stella. I like sparkly stuff. Okay, that's cute, right? That's our card. There we go. Don't you look? Can you see that Stella? I don't know. That's pretty. But that's our Dress to Impress card using the Best Dressed Designer Series paper stack. Where did I put that? So on one side it has all of like purses, perfumes, shoes, makeup. Let me see if I can take that out a little bit. So, and then on the other side it's these beautiful floral stripes, polka dots. So if you're not into the purses and everything, no problem. You have beautiful florals. Okay, that's what we have for today. Don't forget to leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.